Let's go.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KD, and we have a brand new unboxing video for you guys. I just picked up me a brand new gaming chair off of Amazon. It's called the Von Racer gaming chair, and I'm super excited about it. I'm ready to set it up. I wanted to make this video because I was gonna open it without making this video, but then I was like, no, I really want to open it on camera. I want you guys to see, the steps of me upgrading this setup, and I'm excited. I'm ready to get to it. So I hope that you guys enjoy this unboxing video and that you like the chair. And if you guys, want to see anything else with my system, or y'all guys want have any other video ideas that you guys want to see, let me know down in the comments. And yeah, make sure you guys follow my social media and subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And yeah, I just want you guys to know I love you. I appreciate you guys for supporting me, and I'm getting more consistent with my videos. And yeah, we got more to come. It's just gonna be an array of videos. It's nothing specific. It's just gonna be an array of videos, and I just want to be myself and show you guys who that is. So yeah, enjoy this unboxing.